Good day, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how to cut a trumpet sleeve, and for the sleeve length is 22 inches, which I will add 1 inch to for the folding or hem. So now after that, I'll come back here to measure the bicep, which is 5 inches. Then you can do 2 inches here or 2.5. That's where the cap is. So for the elbow, I'm making use of 11 inches. That's where I will determine the elbow. Then I'll rule everything out. So I've labeled them accordingly. Then I'm trying to write the measurement I have on each. So for here, that's 2.5, bicep 5, the elbow 11 inches. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and measure the circumference of the bicep. Bicep is where we have this big part of the sleeve, and that is 13 inches divided by 2 will give 6.5. So I'm going to rule that 6.5. It is that same 6.5 that I will measure at the sleeve length. So now I'll connect my dots. Now after doing that, I'll go ahead and add my allowance. I'm just doing this so you have the knowledge of normal sleeve, which I later turned to be a trumpet sleeve. So for the normal sleeve, I'll go ahead and add my 1 inch seam allowance. You can see the way I'm doing it till the sleeve length. So I'll go ahead and do that as well. So I label that allowance. So at the 2.5, I don't know the name to give here, so that's why I'm calling it cap. So there I'll just slant it back to the bicep. My curve roller would have done a good job here, but I'm not with it, so that's why I'm trying to blend this. So this as well, just place your curve ruler. Then from the middle I measure 3 inches. So from that 3 inches, that's where I started this curve shape here. So after that, I'll go ahead and add allowance to the hem line to make the trumpet shape. So here you can add like 5 to 6 inches, but for this tutorial I'm just making use of 5 inches. So I'll go ahead and connect it back to the cap side of the sleeve, so you can see the way I've done it. So I wrote 5 inches for me to know the allowance I added. So this is the cap, this is the trumpet sleeve. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so for more videos, and please like and share this video if it has done you any good. So after cutting it out, I'll measure the circumference I have here, though I ought to have done this before cutting it out to know whether it's aligned with my armhole circumference. You know, there should be allowance which I will stitch. So that's the allowance of 1 inch which I will stitch till it gets to the hem line. So I will notch here as well the sleeve length. Then this is how to fold when you are sewing yours. You fold it this way and stitch on it. So the 1 inch allowance, I will stitch from this point till it reaches down. Then I will notch the middle of the sleeve as well. So I just want to use this to explain it better. So assuming this is the armhole I'm working with, so I have 18.4 here. It is 9.2 times 2. That's 18.4. That's the circumference of the armhole. So if I'm to stitch this, because it's a paper, you know, I can't stitch on it. So I will ensure that the notch part align with the shoulder. Then I will just stitch around like this. You can see the allowance is still there after stitching. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Remain blessed.